Assalamualaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to make any laptop 200% faster just like brand new PC. Some easy to implement tips for improving the speed of your computer. Click Start menu. Click on Settings. Click System. Then click Storage. Then turn on Storage Sense. Any file that you have not used in the last 30 days can be set to online only when your device run low on free space. Storage Sense, we only set file to online only until there's enough space freed for Windows to run smoothly. Click Storage Sense. If you prefer, you can make Storage Sense run periodically instead of running only when the device is low on storage. Under the Configuration Cleanup Schedule section, select the duration low free disk space option. Select anyone. Select the age of file to delete. Choose any options. Click Cleanup Recommendations. Select the file and click the Cleanup button. Cleanup recommendation on Windows 11 is a feature to automate the process of identifying the contents you can delete to help free up hard drive space on the computer. Click Start menu. Then type Task Manager. Open Task Manager. The Windows Task Manager is a powerful tool packed with useful information from your system overall resource used to detail statistics about each process. Click Startup tab. It lists all the applications that Windows automatically start for your current user account. Disable Startup Program. Right-click it and select Disable. Click Start menu. Click Settings. Click Apps. Click Apps and Feature. There are several reasons you might want to uninstall application from your Windows 11 PC. You may be trying to free up space. Select the app you want to uninstall. Click on the three dots. Click on the Uninstall. Open any browser. Click the menu icon. Then click Settings. Click on Privacy Searches and Service. Scroll down to Clear Browsing Data. Click Choose What to Clear. Change the time range. Then click Clear Now. Click File Explorer. Right-click this PC. Click Show More Options. Click Properties. Click Advanced System Settings. Click Advanced tab. Then click Settings. Select Adjust for best performance. Click Apply. Then click OK. Click OK. Right click Start menu. Then select Run. Then type Prepares. Click OK. Click Continue. Then select all file. Now delete all the file by selecting them. Right click Start menu. Then select Run. Then type %temp%. Click OK. Then select all file. Now delete all the file by selecting them. Right click Start menu. Then select Run. Type temp. Click OK. Then select all file. Now delete all the file by selecting them. Thanks for watching.